MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks.
You don't want to miss out on this. Multiple 2022 International LT625s are for sale at MHC Denver. They're gently used, fleet maintained. You've got multiple color options. We're talking 450 horsepower, 12-speed automatics with 73-inch raised roof, double bunks. Lots of extras too. A bunk heater, Bendix Wingman for safety, and a 1200-watt inverter. You've also got remaining warranties on these trucks. This truck sits at 190,000 on the miles. You've got 12K fronts, 40K rears, and a 228-inch wheelbase. You've got 22.5 LPs with polished aluminum wheels all around and dual 120-gallon fuel tanks. Under the hood, an A26 engine with a Fuller 12-speed automatic transmission. Inside, the interior shines. You've got a sleeper with lots of room and storage, and check out the super clean dash. If you want this truck, a 2022 International LT625, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.